Greetings from Boobadet, Bo Beach in Nacka on this 19th of July 2024, 8 p.m. right now currently, and we have almost no wind, which means it is perfect for a beach adventure in the sea. Yes, this is the Baltic Sea, of course, and this is located in the area called Bo in Nacka, and it's just 20 minutes away from central Stockholm by bus to get here. And the beach has a sandy part as well as a jetty. Currently it is 23 degrees Celsius in the air and 18 degrees Celsius in the sea, which means it is perfect for a swim in the sea. So let's go. You can enter the sea from the sandy beach or from the jetty as well. So I'm entering it now from the beach. So let's then take a swim. It's so nice indeed. Look at the water, it's so still, and the reflection is amazing as well. We have a barking dog in the background as well, but it looks so nice. Here we have one jetty as well. There is one other next to the rocks. So yes, beach adventures with Chris continue, and this is the first time I'm visiting this beach this year. I was also obviously here last year as well, and it is quite a nice beach indeed. And it is not so crowded today on this 19th of July, beach day number 98 on my Sweden beach adventures. So yeah, 18 degrees Celsius in the sea and 23 in the air, and the sun is going to set here in about an hour because this beach is facing actually northeast, it seems, but there will be sunshine for 2 more hours on the beaches facing west. There is nice nature all around as well. So yeah, it's so beautiful and nice with a nice evening swim in the sea, even though it's just Nacka, but still the water is salty. So yeah, let's dive in once again and enjoy this beautiful day. Amazing. Alright, then that's a wrap from Boobadet, Bo Beach in Nacka. Thank you so much for watching this episode with me, and see you soon again with another beach adventures on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.